Welcome to your 15-minute morning yin practice. So find a comfortable seat and let's get started. Allow the eyes to close down. You can rest the hands on the lap. Maybe sit on a cushion if that feels good. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. And just notice how you're feeling. Maybe a word pops to mind or a feeling is bubbling to the surface. So capture that like a screenshot, and we'll circle back around to it at the end. And bring the awareness to your breath. As you breathe in, notice the quality of the air passing in through the nose. As you breathe out, maybe nose or mouth, just notice the length of it. On your next breath in, can you bring the breath all the way down to the belly? And as you breathe out, can you squeeze out as much air as possible from the lungs? Relax through the jaw and the mouth and the lips. Keep the eyes closed if you wish as we move into our first pose from the seat, taking the soles of the feet together, knees wide for butterfly. The feet further away from the hips creates more of a stretch in the glutes. The feet closer to the hips creates more of a stretch in the inner thighs. So you choose. Take an inhale into the nose. And your slow exhale as you melt the body forward. Allow the spine to round, the upper back to open, the arms to get heavy. Let the head be heavy if that feels okay for you. And check in with your sensation. How does it feel? Is it too much? Is it too little? Maybe it's just right. Too much, we can prop the legs with some support of cushions or blocks. Too little, we can crawl ourselves forward a little bit more, or maybe raise the feet up onto a cushion or block. I'm just trying to allow the body to rest into this big stretch feeling. You may notice now that you're here for a couple of minutes that it might not feel as intense You may be able to fold forward that little bit more, let the head be heavier. Take 3 more breaths. And very slowly, starting to come out, use fingertips on the floor to peel the spine back up. Maybe the head lifts last. And just sit for a moment with the eyes closed. And coming to your back for your rebound, your space between poses, your rest, a time to explore all the trickles of sensation. And keep the feet planted or stretch out the legs. What can you feel throughout the body? There might be sensation in the front of the body as we were compressing into the hips, or there might be sensations trickling along the back of the body, even down to the feet, as we really stretched out that back chain of fascia, of that connective tissue. Preparing to move, planting the feet, bending the knees, and just roll over onto your belly. So you can stay the direction you are, but just maybe not so graceful roll onto the belly, scooting around as you make your way into Sphinx pose. So resting on the forearms, the elbows are somewhere under, I'm not on my mat at all. Elbows are somewhere under the shoulders, but the arms are in place so you feel supported and you're finding a pinch in the lower back. So just give it a little bit of time here first, and then we will gradually increase the extension of the spine, the bend in the spine, and see if we can get a bit more sensation. If your mind is feeling a bit lost in thought, maybe come back to the sensation of the belly breathing against your mat. If you do have the space in your spine to come a bit deeper, we'll take the hands to the edge of the mat, press into the hands and straighten out the arms for seal pose. Try to relax the bum, usually it'll start to squeeze. So try to relax the bum, relax the legs. If you come up and it feels too much, you can stretch the arms that little bit longer. Relax the jaw, the mouth. A good thing to notice here is if the elbows are slightly bent, are the muscles in your arms contracting and squeezing to hold yourself up? Can you lock out the arms a little bit, stack the bones? And if not, if it feels too much, come back onto your forearms for the last few breaths. Take one last inhale here. And as you exhale, release the head down, elbows out wide, head onto hands. How does it feel? If you want to extend your rebound and stay here, you can. If you want to come into more of a restful space on your back, just to close off our practice, you can flip yourself over again, nice and gently, as best you can, as graceful as you can. Resting whatever position you've chosen for the last few moments of your morning practice. And take notice of how you're feeling in this moment. And opening up the gallery in your mind and clicking on the screenshot you took at the start of practice. Has it shifted? Maybe even just a little. And you can come back to this morning practice as much as you need. Closing it off together, placing the hands on the heart if you're on your back. If you're still on your belly, stay as you are. We'll take a big deep breath in together. And a nice long exhale of gratitude for your practice. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and say to yourself out loud, today is going to be a great day.